What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today on this quick episode, we'll be changing the air filter on a 2011 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get it. Tools of the trade today is a flathead screwdriver. That's about it. Here's our filter. Okay. There we are. Alright, so put that off to the side. We'll remove that screw, and that screw. 3 screws. Loosen this. So let's go ahead and do that. Not a good sign when they're hard to take off. Take that off. Okay. Also remember, there's 3 plastic tabs that slide into these slots. That'll be key because they anchor in on the back end without screwing in. I can remove it all at once. Lift up. Lift up. Alright. Always remember those tabs. There's 2 and there's 1 broken. That is a dirty filter. Compare that to that. Alright, let's change that baby out. So I'll show you this. It's like the Challenger in the 392. This box is not bad. I mean, it snorkels in through the bottom anyways, right? So it's not a bad design. Oh, throw this doohickey in here. Okay. Alright. Remember, these tabs go into here, and then you screw them in. Alright. Okay. Doohickeys. Make sure they're in there. Oh, that was easier than I thought it would go. And this one. This is how you change the air filter. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys.